Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 8th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I actually personally still think this is a 1, I still think this is a 2, and I still think this whole thing is a wave 3. If this really is a wave 3, then I got my Fibonacci extension from the wave 1 projecting out the bottom of the wave 2, and I think it needs to go all the way up to the 61.8 Fibonacci extension. The 61.8 Fibonacci extension is all the way up at about the 2550 area. Now, this is the monthly time frame, so this is possibly going to take a long, long, long time to get up there, but that definitely is my overall target on gold. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push up right here is a 1. I think this is a wave 2. I think we're in a wave 3 right now, and this is a subdivision like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and this is a wave 3 of wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it right down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, I think this is the end of that big wave 2. I think this is a 1, but that's a 1 of 3. WXY 2 of 3. I think we're very, very clearly in a wave 3 right now, which is why it's such a strong move to the upside. Now, today is a non-farm payroll day, so it's going to be very interesting to see what this does end up doing. I mean, we are at a Fibonacci extension level. I mean, it does seem like maybe it will end up going down a little bit, but even if it does go down, it's probably just a correction to the uptrend. And to be honest with you, it really doesn't have to go down either. It could possibly just keep on making little teeny pullbacks and just keep on trending up. The trend is your friend. Keep that in mind because really, if anybody has gone long for any reason with any trading strategy over the last couple weeks, they have probably made some pretty good money on gold. I truly believe the only way that you lost money on gold over the last couple of weeks is if you tried to go short. And if you tried to go short, you definitely need to realize that the trend is your friend, especially in a situation like this. It looks like a 1, it looks like a 2, it looks like this is all a wave 3 until we have a very, very significant break of starts on the downside on at least a 4 hour time frame and up. I would definitely do nothing but even think about doing anything except for looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, most of these pullbacks have been very, very small, but most of them have been 1, 2, 3 way patterns. Like I said, I don't care what kind of trading strategy you have. If you went long for any reason over the last couple weeks, you probably made a decent profit. About the only way that you've lost money on this trend is if you tried to go short. And I definitely wouldn't even think about trying to go short unless we had a very, very significant break of started to the downside. Today is non-farm payroll news. It does kind of seem like it would possibly go down and make a correction, but it doesn't have to do that. It could easily just keep on trending up, especially because this is likely to be a wave 3 of 3 on the much, much longer time frames. So I wouldn't even think about going short unless we had a very significant break of starts to the downside on the 4 hour time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.